So can you tell me the overall experience of all these segments, which are equally important, right? And so just what was your experience with all of them?
So the experience was really awesome, and I have learned a lot. And the constructor, especially the construct to it, you get to learn a lot. You build something new, right? And it gives you a feeling of real developer that we are creating something, right? So there are the
Yes.
team, and you can discuss with them that what
Yeah.
things that I can do. And day and night you work. Sometimes, some days it becomes five because tomorrow is the deadline. And after doing a lot of work, we are very sleepy, but still we have to make the video so that morning में उठना नहीं है, एक बार में हो जाएगा और हम भेज देंगे.
Oh
So
my God,
constantly,
yes. College life is back.
yeah, college life is back. Real college life is back,
Life is
right?
back.
Yes.
Yes.
So the construct quiz was really good. Other than the curriculum itself, it's very comprehensive. It gives you all the technologies that you need to learn as a fresher to enter into the field. So
Yes.
other than that, I feel if you even if you know the technical skill, that's the bare minimum thing, right? That you should have a mindset of a software developer. So
Yes.
which I think the Masai gave the mindset of a software developer. It give you an overall perspective that
Yeah.
what you should do, what you should not do, what the professional etiquettes to personal development. So everything is there. It's a whole package, right?